Hi everyone, welcome to the next video from this page from Small Victories by Johanna Basford. We have a butterfly again to colour today. This is our third butterfly, we've got 4 altogether. So let's come in a little closer and have a look. Now we've done a orange butterfly and we've done a red butterfly. Is it time for a blue one? Should we have a go? Now the blue butterflies that I see around this area are common blue, and they pretty much look just one shade of blue, which isn't very exciting. So we're going to do something a little bit more interesting, I hope. So I'm going to actually start with the blue, not with the body. I don't know why, I've just grabbed a blue. Helioblue reddish. This is from Polychromos, which we're using today. So as we have for all this page, so let's start putting a little blue near the body. So I want it to be really dark here near the body. Now we've got, this is the bottom wing, isn't it? Now the butterfly is drawn in different sections, but I'm sort of ignoring that really. Put my colour in like that. Now I'm trying to think of my next colour, my next shade. I mean, this is a helioblue reddish. What does it go with? So I'm going to have a little look at my swatch chart, so bear with me for 1 minute. Oh, the cobalt blue, that looks nice with it. We've got a cobalt blue greenish. How's that? No, it's too dark. We want to go a bit lighter. So this is our cobalt blue. I'm just gonna carry on from here. You can see it's a little bit lighter. Just gonna fade towards the end of the wings. I do this a lot. I like it. That's why I do it. So I like this effect. You'll have to forgive me doing them all very similarly. Oh, I've got an itch. I hope everyone's well today. It's sunny at the minute. The sun keeps coming in and out. Can't seem to make up its mind what it wants to do. We had rain yesterday. I think we're due it now on Saturday. I think it was due for Friday. It keeps changing, the forecast, as often does. I don't know if it happens like that everywhere. This is light ultramarine. Sorry, it's quite blurred. There we go. It does. It does say light there. Yeah, it's wondering whether my camera's a bit too close, because this is looking very blurred. But it does tend to focus on whatever's in the centre of the frame. So I'm trying to just fade it off towards the edge without, if I can, not leave any white. Now on the bottom here, we've got these little V-shaped pieces. Can you see them? I'm going to colour around them. You can colour over them, but I'm going to make them black. So I'm colouring around them, but as I say, you can colour over them because they're black. Will go over the top of a pale blue anyway. But my pencil's sharp enough and I'm going slow enough that I can colour around them without any worries. This bit's going to blur if I put my hand too near the middle. Let's try going from over here. That might work better. Go out the lines instead. I don't know what's optimal. Do want to try and make sure I've covered all of it. I've gone out of the lines nicely there, haven't I? Right, the body next. I think the cold greys are better when you use a colder colour, and blue for me is cold. This is Cold Grey IV, which is Cold Grey 4. Yeah, we are a bit close. I'll move my tripod up a little bit before the next video, I think. Just a tad higher. Okay, now I'm going to get the black, and I'm not going to start with those bits on the bottom of the wings. I'm going to do a little bit on the body, just the edge, trying to blend it in a bit, like that. Make it stand out just a tad more. These need to be blocked in quite dark. Now you can do any of these other markings in black as well. I tend to do a lot of black on butterflies as a rule. I think maybe today I won't, just to be a bit different. But I am going to use this black for shadow under this wing. On the red one that we did the other day, I forgot to put a shadow under the wing. But I think it's because we had all those florals to do as well. It sort of distracted me. I'm putting a little bit of dark here in the middle where this little body is. It would maybe create a little bit of a shadow against the wing there. Maybe I need a bit darker up here as well, just to match. It's not very symmetrical. That's better. Okay, I am just going to see how the antennae are curled over. Just going to fill those in black and then grab my white. I'm using neon Posca again. And I'm just going to do a dot on each of these little black. I find it just softens that black, but I'm also going to do one here. Quite big, if I can get it to show up. It's quite hard to show white up on top of a pale colour, but I did try to apply it quite thickly. There we go, we'll just leave it there. So that one really was quite short and sweet, wasn't it? It's a very cute one though, but there it is. Tomorrow's is interesting. Is it a cabbage? Have you ever heard Johanna say that she doesn't draw roses because they end up looking like cabbages? That's why I said that. It was just a little joke for Johanna, but it's actually quite a pretty looking peony, I think. But we'll see what to do with it tomorrow. But thank you for watching today. Hope you have a super duper day and happy colouring.